Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Nova 12i and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do this is opening application with support. Long screenshot can be your website or some on the web, or settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen, where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot, and after that we tap on scroll shot. Now we must wait a second and tap on our screen when we want to stop scrolling our screenshot. Maybe now. And after that we stop it and we have our long screenshot with much more information than normal one. To save it in our gallery, we press this icon on the right corner. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.